What's up, guys? So I was sitting here doing maintenance on one of my reels. I want to show you guys a product that I use to clean my reels. Not only my reels, but my rods, my kayaks, my cars, to my household items, my everyday general purpose cleaner. And that is super clean. I either use the aerosol can, I either use the concentrated bottle, or I dilute it. And since we're just doing a fishing reel right now, I'm using diluted bottle. But I use it for various things. Like I said, I dilute it to be used on certain materials because if not, it may damage the product. So you want to check out the chart online if you do use them. But I highly recommend them. I've been using them for years and they've been doing the job for me. So go check them out.